Hi, I'm Chris Mall from Kingsway Homes. Today we're going to talk about some rough carpentry and framing techniques. When we begin the framing process, one of the first things we do is we apply what's called a mud sill. And what that is it's a green treated 2x6 plate which gets bolted to the top of the foundation wall. We previously showed you some anchor bolts. Underneath the sill plate is what's called a foam sill sealer, and what that does is that prevents air infiltration from seeping into the house. You can see right over here how the foam sill sealer is applied. Next, we're going to take you inside the house and we're going to talk about some structural engineering. The first thing that we're going to show you is the window header. What this is a structural glue laminated beam over the top of the window. And this has all been designed by a structural engineer to provide adequate support over the top of the window. And that's important because we don't want there to be any sag or deflection in that window header. If that happens, then sometimes you get trouble with the operation of the windows and it prevents problems with the windows. The next thing we're going to show you is what we call tall wall construction. We use a lot of tall walls with high ceilings in Kingsway. And when you do that, it's important to have the wall designed and engineered by a structural engineer. Oftentimes, they ask that you have these horizontal blocking pieces put in the wall to provide extra structural support and rigidity. All of our floor systems at Kingsway are designed by a structural engineer to ensure that they have minimum deflection, minimum bounce, that they feel very comfortable in your new home. It also helps minimize things like floor squeaks and warranty callbacks, things of that nature. All of our homes at Kingsway are analyzed by a structural engineer to provide adequate structural support and rigidity and make sure that we build a great quality home. All more reasons why Kingsway builds a better home.